Hey, what's up everybody? It's George here and we're back with another video. Now today's video is build video number 7 in the Align Trex 500E series. And today we're going to be starting page number 16, which should finish up the tail assembly. Let's take a quick look at my setup. First I have the manual open to the right page, a pen in case I need to take any note. We won't be needing any Loctite or grease. Let's take a look at my parts layout. I have all the nuts and bolts ready to go. I have the tail boom supports. I have the horizontal stabilizer and the horizontal stabilizer mounting bracket. I have the tail blades and the bolts and nuts to put them on. I have the control arm. And finally the tail pitch slider assembly that we put together before. The tools that we're going to be needing are a 1.5 and a 2.5 millimeter driver. Let's go ahead and put the camera on the tripod, get on with page number 16. Okay, we're ready to get on with page number 16. Nothing very special to go over, so let's get right to work. Okay, there she is, page number 16, and the tail is pretty much done. We're all ready to get on with page number 17, so let's go ahead and get set up. Okay, we're ready to get on with page number 17, where we install the main rotor blades and the motor. Let's take a real quick look at my setup. First I have the manual open to the right page and a pen in case I need to take any notes. I do have some blue Loctite in a dish to put it in. Let's take a look at my parts layout. Pretty simple. I have the main rotor blades, I have the motor, the pinion, and all the nuts and bolts ready to go. The tools that we're going to be needing are a 2.0 and a 2.5 millimeter driver. And let's go ahead and put the camera on the tripod and get on with page number 17. Okay, we're ready to get on with page number 17. The only thing I've done in advance is I've removed the canopy spacers and lifted up the battery tray. It's going to make it a lot easier for getting the motor mounting bolts in. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, there you have it. Page number 17, absolutely no problems. What I can tell you is make sure that you check the motor lash. You just want to have it so that it ticks a little bit. That makes it perfect. The blades, I'll adjust the blade tightness later, but everything went according to plan. Let's go ahead and get on to page number 18, where we're going to finish up this build. Okay, the only thing to do on page number 18 was to install the tail push rod and the canopy grommets, and it really didn't make much sense to shoot video for that. Very simple, put the grommets in, install the push rod, and away you go. That really does complete the build of the Trex 500E. I hope you've enjoyed the series. Everything went according to plan, everything went well, and I'm very happy with the way the build went. Look for my next series of videos, which is going to be on setting up the electronics, setting up the helicopter, tuning it in, and getting it ready for its maiden flight. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy flying, friends!